Grades tab shows you a summary of student grades for each progress report and marking period for all the courses you teach. The dashboard also lists your students with their ID number and the number of students you teach in each course, section, and grade. Just like the other tabs, select the campus and teacher name when you first open the tab. Demographic filters are located on the right side, and as you've learned previously, you can filter the dashboard to view grades data by clicking Demographic Student Group buttons. The dashboard can also be filtered by the other visuals on the dashboard, such as grade level, course, section, and student name. Clicking multiple filters allows you to narrow your data to a very specific student group. Notice that as you add filters, the grades shown in the grades table adjust to match the selected filters, as does the student name visual. By selecting a letter grade, you can see which students have earned that letter grade. To clear dashboard filters previously set, you can re-click the filter to deselect them, or use the funnel icon and click to clear filters individually. The button on the dashboard takes you to a list of curated grade reports. The reports available allow you to either run a report displaying students who earned a specific letter grade or all student grades. Once you have selected the report to fit your needs, be sure to identify the parameters of the report. Remember, if you want to filter the data prior to running the report, click Proceed to Optional Selections. Make your desired filter selections and select Run Report. Now that you have learned all that is available here, visit this tab after each marking period to monitor trends in student grades.